Oh, here he goes. Up. Whoops-a-daisy. He's going to shoot it, Devin.
Shoot.
He's going to dunk it, Devin.
Shoot.
Oh, my gosh. That was absurd.
Jump.
Jumps. Can I have that?
Oh.
Okay. Are you going to change the channel?
No, he can't. I got the other remote.
I broke it.
Did you break it?
No, you didn't. He's going to go for the shot, Devin. He's going to shoot it.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
He's going to shoot the ball. Here he goes. He's running around.
Run!
Better take that shot.
Drop!
It was traveling, Devin.
He doesn't look very happy, does he? He's not happy. Are you happy?
I think the messing with the remote is...
Happy!
Are you sure?
Happy. Can you say, yep?
Are you...
Yep.
Money! He just made it!
Whoa!
You just missed a three-pointer, Devin.
Corn?
What is that?
That's just a piece for the...
Chair.
Yep, for the chair.
Go.
Yep, you can put it in your compartment in there if you want.
Oh,
There-
mommy.
There's a little compartment spot on the side. Are you really wanting to change this? What should we watch something else instead?
Can I have that? Thanks. How come Grandma's things are over here on the floor?
No idea.
Thanks, baby Dev. Okay, Grandma's gotta go do something else.